There's a type of injury that we have particularly extensive experience here at Hoyt Hoyt in handling, which is head injuries that are also known as TBIs, which is traumatic brain injuries. When someone is involved, they often come from car accidents or motorcycle accidents, but they can also come from other accidents as well when the patient's head is struck hard by something. The way a closed head injury occurs, or a TBI, traumatic brain injury, the way it occurs is this. Your brain inside your skull is about the consistency of Jell-O or yogurt. Your skull itself, obviously, is as hard as a rock. So that when the skull is impacted by something, the skull moves immediately, but the brain inside the skull does not move immediately. It's more gelatinous and it moves back and forth, and there are sharp surfaces on the inside of the brain that can cause injuries to the brain, and the microscopic fibers of the brain, axons and neurons is what they're called, will shear, they'll break, and the connections will be broken inside the brain. The patient looks perfectly fine. They look like everything's okay, but they're not. The way these injuries typically show up is when people have been involved in a car accident or motorcycle accident or have a blow to their head from whatever. I really would suggest that you give us a call and do it soon, because those are the types of injuries and symptoms that need to be taken care of right now, because they become permanent otherwise, and we can help you preclude them from becoming permanent, which is what you want.